Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about CMC, Computer Mediation Communications, and Synchronous Communication, Synchronous Communication, Electronic Remote System, Threaded Discussion Forum, electronic pen pals, electronic monitors, parallel problem solving, electronic field, group development of the product, social action project. Online chat, pain text chat, audio chat, ability to moderate, lead, discuss through technological model, shares, whiteboard, multiple user dimensions and multi-objective oriented. Living verbal environment, you can become analytical, you want time consuming to upkeep, text only and graphical or sound environment and bandwidth and technology constraints. A Central System Center e-meeting trial service, vehicles, learn link. Arbitrations of virtual environment expands as three dimensions via a number of cells. Objects with this environment are independent of the users and can display real-world behaviors. The user or user have autonomous control. Interactions occurs in real time. VR make it possible visualize and manipulate things that you cannot see in the real world. Take on different representation, visualization, interact in real time, explore dangerous situation, present realistic or abstract scenario, promote different learning system and technical methods. An interact project. What is VR? Emulate the real world, making an electronic world seems real, interactive, not statistic 3D image, not movie within the world's manipulating objective in the world. In or out, fight simulator, desktop metaphor, point or click adventure games, desktop VR, ordinary scene, polynomous muse, immersion VR, physical VR. VR headset, small TV screen for each eye, side different angles and 3D effect. Sit upon games, motorbikes, SKI, simple control, go within, virtual roller coaster, aircraft cockpit, ship bridge. Inside VR, scene projects on wall, realistic environment, hydraulic ramps, real control and over people. Simulated dangerous command and control practice medial processor. See hide real world feature, virtual wind tunnel. Engagement, feeling part of the virtual world, engage the sense side, visual, realistic, 3D effect, shadow, sound, surround sounds, subset of touch, haptic, and the force feedback. Collaborative virtues and egg for the pros and cons, greater level anatomies and high disabilities, no body language, limited communication, and SAT. Virtual university, traditional distance learning, email, bullet board, IRC, TCQs, virtual classroom, augmented reality, video image, computer tools, and video or room works. In immersion, VR user become fully immersions in in artificial's three-dimensional world that is completely generated by a computer. The head-mounted displays was the first device provides this wearable within immersion experience. A virtual of input devices like data gloves, joysticks, and handheld gloves allow the user to navigate through a virtual environment and to interact with the virtual objective. The unique characteristics of immersive virtual reality can be summarized as below. Head reflect viewing provides a natural interface for the navigations. Stereoscopic viewings enhance the perceptions of the depth. The virtual world is present in full scales. Realistic interactions with virtual objective, the convincing illusions of being fully immersed. Network applications allow for shared virtual environment. Virtual tools, research tools. DAV Division's Board of Education more than 10 years have invested in the first class BBS service. Apple Canada developed an linguistics, fonts and manufacturing syllabus and English keyboards. Many communities do not have access to high-speed bandwidth. Community access to the internet through the libraries school. Federal government will be providing annex settles access within the next 5 years. Some schools settle up, dial up server service for their community. Current distance education program paper-based Albert correspondence. English is a second language, visual and tactics predominant learning system experience working electronically in both languages. Multiple stakeholders involved in any learning project, some of which do not speak English. Community and elderly participation and approve communication language and translate issues. Stakeholders and developers are spread across greater distance. Technical issue of sharing files, information, working with materials in another language. integrates in the primary language of interactions for elementary students. These interactive programs support the grade 2 Intellect's language curriculum focus on the final syllabus of words. Delivery system will be interactive website and standalone, working with curriculum development and elderly from Nunavent's departments. Institute audio supports. This is very good examples of this present audio visual activities, and by this process we can create a very good important aspects of this curriculum and development. If you have any question regarding this one, you directly can communicate with me. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.